I thought of making a video for all the aspiring artists, the aspiring actors or models, or artists of any sort out there, because when you're teenagers and you have got a lot of dreams and all, तब ऐसा लगता है ना कि कोई आके बस थोड़ी बहुत मदद कर दे इन ऑर्डर टू अचीव आवर ड्रीम्स, कि कोई बस एक रास्ता दिखा दे कि दैट दिस इज द थिंग यू हैव टू डू, और समवन जस्ट कि कोई गाइड कर दे. Because you don't really find a lot of people who are models or actors in our surroundings. At least I am a small town girl, and I haven't seen anybody who was in the acting field around me or doing anything regarding the art. सब लोग engineers या lawyers या वो सब बन रहे थे, and I didn't have anyone to guide me in that field. I wasn't actively looking forward to be a part of acting or anything. I was a writer throughout, and I knew at a very young age that I was a writer and I will be somewhere in that field. I had a rough, vague idea that I'll be a writer. But then, call it destiny, I always happened to like facing the camera, and it was something that I enjoyed. I enjoyed attention. I enjoyed all the skits that I did in my school days or even in college. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था. I like performing, and somewhere or the other place I was just a artist. Like, content creation has always been my type. I like creating content. And then in the beginning I used to just scribble in my diary, in my rough work book, and then slowly I started taking interest. I don't know, it just happened so gradually from a very young age that I started writing. Whenever I used to feel very sad or overwhelmed with some or the other incidents, I started writing, okay? And that's how it just started. And one day I started writing on Facebook. Then a friend of mine, Supriya Joshi, she told me, why are you writing it in the form of status? I think you should write it in the form of notes. I think we still have that feature in Facebook where we write in notes. तो वहाँ पे थोड़ा saved रहेगा, and you'll get more people to read your work. And I thought, okay, let me try this out. And then I started writing in notes. I enjoyed when I got a platform wherein at least 5 friends of mine started reading whatever I wrote. So that's how it began. And then I had a friend named Anirudh who helped me connect with a girl named Chetna Kamath, who helped me connect with a newspaper in Mangalore, and that's how my first article got published when I was 17-year-old. It just happened. But one thing that I would say that I was always consistent in pursuing whatever I liked, and I knew that this is what I liked. And because I always saw my mother writing in the house, she's a writer, and she wrote for a local newspaper, that is Karavali Munjau, a very famous one in Karwar. So I always saw her writing, and to me it just happened because I always saw her, and I had someone to look after, like look up to, कि मुझे भी मतलब I read whatever she wrote, and that's how I started writing. Okay. And on the other hand, like I mentioned, I also liked performing dance or just mimicry and all that when I was young. So that interest was there in me somewhere. It was just there. And I have always been very active in social media. When I was around the age of 19, a photographer spotted me, and he told me that that is when I was in Bangalore. He told me that he is looking for a model for some jewelry brand, and he wanted to see my photographs and something like that. And he told me, can we meet? I was very excited. Okay, just imagine an 18 or 19ish year old me. I was very excited because that was the first time when a photographer told me that he liked my pictures, and that he sees some potential in me and he was ready to offer me a role, some assignment, a jewelry assignment. It was a sari photo shoot. I said I don't have any pictures in sari as such. He said let me click up pictures, few pictures of you, you know. And he was ready to help me out with the pictures. I was a little doubtful कि ये मेरी मदद क्यों करना चाह रहा है. But then I got to know that he was living nearby my PG. That is when I was staying in a paying guest and he was staying nearby. And I thought, okay, let me give it a try. He said, we'll meet on so and so date and at so and so time. I discussed the same with my roommate then, and we both were very excited. She was younger than me and she's obviously very excited and very happy for me. She said, chalo, we'll go. And that's when we went. I was dressed in a sari because it was a jewelry photo shoot. मतलब उसके लिए कोई audition like thing. Okay, there was some audition like thing. They said we'll see your pictures and then I'll send it to the company or something like that. Okay, and I failed to check on him and I saw his profile and it looked pretty genuine because yeah, he was a photographer. He had clicked many pictures and all that. So his profile looked pretty genuine. When I finally went there, he looked fine. Okay, he was in his mid-40s or something. Okay, वो like uncle था and it was fine. He asked my friend to sit outside, and I said no, let her come inside. He said no, you'll not feel very comfortable. I said no, I'm feeling very comfortable. I'm pretty comfortable and I don't mind. Okay, so. I said I don't mind, it's okay. But then he insisted that no, let her sit outside in the waiting area and that's when you'll feel more comfortable. Like okay, fine, ठीक है. Then I started posing and you know that kind of aura and that gut instinct you just get, especially women just get it. Okay, I was not feeling very comfortable around him and I can't exactly tell you like what exactly about this person I was not feeling okay with, but मुझे लगा कि कुछ तो उसकी vibe कुछ तो मुझे ठीक नहीं लग रही थी. And he told me why don't you pose like this and I was 18. Okay, and मैं तो अभी भी अपने आप को बच्चा ही समझती हूँ, but 18 was very young age and he started telling me why don't you pose, मतलब थोड़ा hot लगना चाहिए. I said what? And that was it, because it was for a jewelry shoot and मुझे hot नहीं लगना था उस shoot पे. I just wanted to look pretty, that's it. And I was not feeling right. And तब मेरी poses जब मैं ऐसे स्माइल कर रही थी वो सारे बाद में ना ऐसे होने लगे. Like I was just forcing my smile. And वो उस एज में ऐसा होता है कि ना you're not very confident to say कि no, I'm feeling uncomfortable. ये वाली feeling ना बाद में आके लोग सीखते हैं to say no or to express that I'm not feeling okay with this and that. Okay, I don't, at least in my case that was the case. Like now I just say it straight away like boss, I don't feel okay and stuff like that. But back then I was very I don't know, I was a small town girl in a big city. I just didn't feel very confident maybe. And that's how the shoot started. And he told me why don't you change in that gown, and he showed me some sleeveless kind of a black gown which I didn't like because I was not ready for it. And then he started showing me some really different clothes and he told me why don't you step in that, you can change it here, there, and you know, and we'll take your pictures. I said it's a jewelry shoot, but then he just said no, it's okay, you can wear it, we'll have another shoot going on. And then I thought it just made me feel like no, I'm not doing this. And I was just getting very strong gut instincts that this person is not okay. And मुझे बस वहाँ से भागना था. The way he looked at me, the way, I don't know, it just gave me some weird kind of a feeling. And then मैंने उससे पूछा कि कौन सा शूट है ये, and that is so dumb of me. मुझे ये सब पहले पूछना था. But yeah, obviously, but then I asked him कि कौन सी कंपनी है, कौन, then he said I can't reveal it, I can't tell you, and वो सब शेडी लगने लगा मुझे कि ये कुछ बता ही नहीं रहा, और मैं आ गई यहाँ पे बेवकूफ़ की तरह मुंह उठा के आ गई. एंड आई न्यू माई फ्रेंड इज सिटिंग आउटसाइड. मेरा फ़ोन भी उसी के पास रह गया था बाहर. तो वॉट आई जस्ट गॉट स्कैर्ड लिटिल, क्या मेरी फट गई थी. मैं इतनी डर गई थी. Then I started telling him like, okay, I'll wear that dress. Okay, yeah, I think I'll try that out. But why don't we do this? Like, let me just wear those heels that I have outside with my friend, and then I'll try this dress. He didn't want to let me go. He said, नहीं इसमें चल जाएगा, तुम इसी में try कर लो and all. But I was just I acted as if I was very happy about the shoot, and I said no, it should look perfect, this that. मैंने अपना सामान बांध लिया, and I said I'll just go and get it, okay, and I'll keep this outside. I don't know, he said okay, and then मैं वहाँ से उस फ्रेंड को लेके ऐसे भागी हूँ ना बाहर कि मतलब मैं पीछे मुड़ के मैंने नहीं देखा. एंड आई इवन लेफ्ट माई अदर्स पैर ऑफ सैंडल्स देयर. मैं ऐसे भागी हूँ. आई जस्ट रियलाइज दिस पर्सन इज जस्ट नॉट ओके. ही जस्ट वांट्स टू क्लिक माई पिक्चर्स एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाट. तो मेरी जस्ट नॉर्मल सारी फोटोज उसने क्लिक किए, एंड इवन देन आई वाज वेरी स्कैर्ड कि पता नहीं क्या कर लेगा उस. द पर्पस ऑफ making this video is that if you are an aspiring artist or actor, model, make sure that before you go to any photographer or a casting director or anyone, make sure that you know exactly कि आप लोग कहाँ जा रहे हो, वो ऑडिशंस कहाँ पे है, शूट कहाँ पे चल रहा है, किस चीज़ का शूट हो रहा है, whether this person is genuine or not, और उसका क्या like portfolio and blah blah blah. Like, make sure that you gather each and every information. This person was still in the heart of the make sure that you get and also whenever you go to any photographer or anyone or any audition, make sure that you're with someone. Try not to go alone. If you're a woman, please don't go alone, and especially when you don't know someone, okay. और कोई भी ऐसे ही मदद नहीं करता. Everything has got a price. Whenever someone says like, hey, I liked your pictures, I think we can work together, I can click your pictures, I mean, ये बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. It's not this time, but I have also faced this many other time. But then I was very intelligent enough to not pay heed to it. तो मुझे तब I was very cautious by then. But I think abhi I had just released a reel on my Instagram account, and that's when few teenagers who follow me, who asked me like, how did you get a role in a short film and how did it all began. ये जो short film मैंने की, I did it 4 years back. ओके, उसकी स्टोरी मैं बताती हूँ. ओके, देन लेट मी जस्ट एंड दिस स्टोरी फर्स्ट. सो ऑल आई हैड टू से इज दैट कि अगर कोई आपकी ऐसे फ्री में मदद करना चाह रहा है और इज टेलिंग यू लाइक लेट मी हेल्प यू विद दिस एंड दैट, और लेट अस डू दिस एंड दैट, और बड़ी बड़ी बातें कर रहा है, प्लीज डोंट बिलीव सच पीपल. एंड नो बडी वर्क्स फॉर फ्री, एंड दीज आर द टिप्स दैट आई हैड टू शेयर विथ यू ऑल. एंड दिस हैपन्स इन ऑल द इंडस्ट्रीज. ओके, I have experienced the same shit in even literary industry, like in literature, in the field of publication. ये सब हर जगह चलता है. But that doesn't mean that you stop working or you stop dreaming or that आप कुछ कर नहीं सकते हो. The purpose of sharing this story was I just wanted you to be more aware about all these things, that ये चीज़ें आजकल भी हो रही है. It's just that in no way I'm trying to discourage you from pursuing your dreams, because in spite of this horrible incidents, I have still gone ahead and I could act as the main lead in a short film. It worked really well. And so हमेशा ऐसी चीज़ें नहीं होती है, but just that you have to be very careful about who you trust and with whom you're working, and please be aware of all these things. And if you like more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. And this is just a happy place wherein I share my stories and just my life in general. Okay, please subscribe to my channel. I see that mostly 88% of the people who ever watch my videos haven't subscribed. Please subscribe, hit like, and see you until next time.